Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Ali Imran. I'm the representative of this group who's the open this presentation. Okay, first of all, I will say thank you to my lecturer, Mrs. Tiara Triani, STMT, and I hope you so healthy. Okay, in this part, I will share for the group member. The first is Muhammad Alfarizi with NPM 333 for 2031. The second is Ahmad Faishol Mubarok with NPM 333 for 2045. From the third member group is Rahmat Fauzan with NPM 333 for 2059, and the last member group is me, Muhammad Ali Imran, with NPM 333 for 2084. Okay, this is table of content of my group. We have 4 content in this presentation. The first content is raw material, secondly is typical properties, third is manufacturing process, and the last content is application in metallurgical industry. What is raw material? Raw material is purchased by the manufacturing industry. Then the purchased goods are directly stored in the raw material warehouse and then production. The basic material will later turn into finished goods that are ready to be sold. Okay, who's the basic material in zircon brick is zircon sand. Zircon sand is the main raw material with the property. As we can see from this table below, is the bulk density is 2643 to 2804 kg cubic, and specific gravity 4.60 to 4.71. Most hardness 7.0 to 7.5. Melting point is 201,000 to 203,000 degrees Celsius, and confidence of the land explosion is 7.2 multiplied 10 to the power of 6. And the table show MgO. The function of MgO in small amount they used to stabilize zircon.
I will explain about typical properties. Typical properties are the characteristic of a material from representative of a certain types. First, this brick can be used up to 2000 Celsius. 2. This brick have low thermal expansion behavior. Table 7.22 Properties of zirconia bricks. First, we have raw material use in properties. Second, zircon sand. 3. High purity zircon sand. First, semisal anise. Second, EI 203% greater than 1%. High purity zircon sand 1.0. Third, ZrO2% zircon sand 63.0. High purity zircon 65.0. 4. Fe2O3% zircon sand 0.5%, and high purity zircon is 0.3. 5. Porosity percent zircon sand 20, high purity zircon 70. Next, bulk density. zircon 3.60, high purity zircon 3.7. Next, CCS zircon 600, high purity zircon 800. Next, rule zircon 100, 1600, high purity zircon 1700.
The next discussion is the manufacturing process of zirconia bricks. The required amount of MgO for zirconia is added as a stable oxide, usually 6 mol%. It is ignited at temperatures above 1600 degrees Celsius. This converts the zirconia into a cubic paste. The burned briquettes are then ground in a ball mill under 10 mm using steel grinder. The powder is then boiled with dilute hydraulic acid to remove it and form a slurry. Shape the wet block to the desired size and dry. Identification process 2 until 4%. The dried form is fired at 1900 degrees Celsius to obtain zirconia. The shooting causes the shrinkage of zirconia to shrink by about 15%.
The next is the application in metallurgical industry. The first one is zirconia bricks is used as a ladle lining. Also, zirconia bricks used in non-ferrous metal smelting furnace and steel furnace. And the second one is zirconia bricks is suitable for secondary layer of melter bottom, and zirconia can also be used in transition region between silica brick and magnesia brick, burner and a thermocouple. And the last is the wall and the bottom of the glass furnace is contact with the molten glass are currently generally built with zirconium containing refractory bricks. Also, zirconia bricks is suitable for special region of glass tank such as paving part and secondary layer of paving bottom, backlining, flowing spout, and spinning portion.
I will say thank you to watch this video to the end. I hope you have a new insight of zircon bricks